Hey guys, Virender here from VC School of English. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the summarize for context task in PTE. I'm gonna spill all the tea on what's new, what's changed, and how you can nail this section for full points. So stick around, it's gonna be short, sweet, and super helpful. Alright, first thing first, PT now gives you just one summarize for context instead of 1, 2, or sometimes 3. Yep, just one. And you get 10 minutes for it, including the audio time. This task still packs a punch cause it counts for both listening and write, so you gotta crush it. Here's the deal, you'll get an audio clip, maybe even a video, but mostly audio like an interview or a podcast. Anywhere from 40 to 90 seconds. While you listen, take notes like a boss. When it's done, write a quick summary in 50 to 70 words. Remember that 10 minutes you get includes the audio duration, so manage your time wisely. No cheating with extra minutes here. On your screen, you'll see the instruction up top, the audio bar in the middle, and your typing box below with a handy word counter. Scoring-wise, this task is now worth 12 points instead of 10 content points, jumped from 2 to 4, which means your summary's gotta be super relevant. No more keyword stuffing without meaning. Speaking of content, PT caught on to folks just stuffing templates with random keywords and still scoring high. That's order here. You can still use a template for structure, but the content gotta actually make sense and be relevant. Otherwise, you're gonna lose major points. Now here's the kicker. Some answers will be checked by real humans, not just AI. If your summary looks vague or like a copy-paste from templates with the little relevance, a human examiner might give you a big fat 0 on content. So keep it real and stay on topic to avoid that disaster. Here's how it breaks down. 4 points for content, 2 for spelling, 2 for grammar, 2 for vocabulary, and 2 for form. Imagine 100 people summarize a lecture on social media. Everyone's answers will be different but should have keywords like Facebook, Instagram, distractions. You need 7 to 8 important keywords, not just filler, to smack full content points. Form is big one. Write between 50 to 70 words, around 65 is perfect. Less than 40 or more than 100. Now, 0 points for form, and if that happens, you lose spelling, grammar, and vocabulary points too. So keep it tight and neat. Grammar and spellings are straightforward, no mistakes. Full points, 1 mistake, half points. 2 or more, 0. For vocab, use academic and formal words, bit slang and short forms. Also stay consistent with either British or American English, and capitalize proper noun. Trust me, it matters a lot. Wanna check if your template's up to snuff? Please hit us, our numbers are flashing on the screen. Alright, that's all from me. If this video helped you, smash that button, share video squad, and subscribe. It really helps our channel to grow. And hey, if you nail your scores, after watching, drop me a line. It keeps me going. Need extra help? We have online classes with multiple sessions daily, so hit us up anytime. Remember, this task is crucial for both listening and writing, so give it your 100%. If need any assistance, hit us. Our numbers are flashing on the screen. Thank you.